Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get airport lounge access with Revolut. Now it's very easy guys. You just need to purchase a lounge pass for yourself or a guest. So it's very easy to do that. You just go to your Revolut app. On the bottom menu, I want you to go ahead and click on a Rev Points and then go ahead and tap on a lounges followed by lounge passes. And then just go ahead and choose the airport and then the lounge you wish to buy the pass for, and then just go ahead and tap get lounge pass, add any companies, companions you want, and complete your purchase. Now these lounge passes are eligible for use at any of their supported lounges. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.